Next is the journal page, a private space to slow down, reflect, and simply be. At the top is your daily journal. Every day you'll receive a new reflection question. You can also see the type of prompt you've been given, such as self-discovery, along with the level of reflection. If that question doesn't feel right for you that day, select Try a different prompt to receive another one. Use the previous and next buttons to move between dates so you can look back at earlier journal entries or move ahead to another day. Write your response in the space provided, then select Save Entry when you're finished. Below the daily journal is the weekly Sunday reset. Unlike the daily journal, these are the same reflection questions every week, giving you a consistent way to review your week and prepare for the one ahead. Each Sunday, take a few moments to reflect on what felt good, what drained or restored you, what you'd like to do differently, one intention for the coming week, and what you're ready to leave behind. Use the previous and next buttons to move between weeks, and when you're finished, select Save Weekly Reset.